Assalamu alaikum students, this is the second video of exercise 1.3 math 9th chapter number 1. Question number 4. Perform the indicated operations. First part is this. As according to board demands, we have to solve the matrices in the parenthesis first. Now for this 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. The other matrix remains the same. Now the other operation is also of addition, so we will add these two matrices. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Moving on to part number 2. In this, these two matrices are in the parenthesis, so we will solve these two matrices first. Writing the third matrix as it is and performing the indicated operation in the parenthesis, we have 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Performing the next indicated operation, which is of addition, adding the corresponding entries 1 plus minus 1. So it will become 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Moving on to part number 3, which is this one. Now writing the first matrix as it is, because it is not in the parenthesis and we have to solve the matrices in the parenthesis first. Now 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now performing the second indicated operation, 2 plus minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1, 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Moving on to part number 4, it has only two matrices having the operation of addition. Adding the corresponding entries, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1, minus 1 plus 2, which is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Moving on to part number 5, which is same as the fourth part. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 2 plus minus 2, which is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 3 plus minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 2 plus 0 is equal 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Moving on to last part. In this there are three matrices and first two are in parentheses, so we will solve these two matrices first. Performing the indicated operation, which is of addition, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, plus 1, 1, 1, 1. Performing the indicated operation, we have 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That's all for today.